can't map your wealth, you cannot multiply it. If I asked you right now, what is your net worth? I'm always meeting our community members on the streets and I ask you your age and your net worth all the time. If I ask you what's your net worth and you hesitate, you're not multiplying, you are guessing. If you can't map your wealth, you cannot multiply it. At Cora Wealth, we start by mapping your wealth. Today, I'm going to show you what are the 3 mapping systems wealthy Africans use to turn income into measurable growth. Because what isn't measured cannot compound. Listen, confusion feels normal, but clarity builds power. Financial behavior, as research has consistently shown that individuals who track net worth every week and they track their asset allocation and they track their growth, they will always grow wealth faster than those who only track income or expenses. The study was examining, does measurement change financial outcomes? The observation was a resounding yes. Tracking improves allocation. Discipline will always bring you to a place of tracking. This is what it means for you. If you only know what you earn, but you don't know what you own, you're operating blind. Now, here are the 3 mapping systems. The first one is obviously your net worth map. You need to map your net worth. Remember, income is temporary. Net worth is just the position. So you need to do these 3 things. The first, you need to list all your assets. Number 2, you list all your liabilities. And number 3, you take your assets minus your liability and you have your net worth. What do you do to that? You track it quarterly. Wealth grows when position improves. Number 2, cash flow map. That's the second map you need to have. In Africa, volatility makes tracking even more important. And your tactical moves here are 3. The first one, you need to map your core inflows. You need to map your variable inflows. You need to map your fixed expenses. You need to map your variable expenses. And finally, you need to map your investment flows. You cannot multiply that which you cannot see. Number 3, the asset allocation map. Many people own assets randomly. You have land here, you have shares over there, you have business somewhere else, you have a side hustle, no integration. Please do these 4 things. Define percentages. What is cash and cash liquidity? What is equities? What is real assets? What's in business exposure? And then you rebalance those percentages annually. Mapping creates alignment. Are you seeing that one now? When you map, you identify the leaks. When you identify the leaks, you are able to now redirect the flows. In unstable economies, clarity is an advantage. I'm telling you, the wealthy don't guess their position. They know it very well. If you cannot draw your wealth on paper, you cannot scale it in reality. If you cannot draw your wealth on paper, you will not be able to grow it. I want to challenge you to take the wealth test right now and map your structure before trying to multiply it.